A bright and sunny land lived a mouse with a tiny band. He wore a hat so blue and tall, danced on tiptoes, never would fall. Along came Bunny, soft and sweet, hopping lightly on tiny feet. "Let's go explore," she said with glee, through the forest past the big oak tree. They met a frog who loved to sing, jumping high on a shiny spring. "Ribbit, ribbit, hop with me, we'll dance around the lily sea." A rainbow bird flew from the sky, painting colors way up high. "Follow